Hi, and welcome back to my class. In this video I would like to show you some examples of vintage book covers. I made a little research on Pinterest and I found tons of really amazing examples. I chose only some of them for their colors, details and composition. I think they can be really useful for this project, and for this reason I made a mood board in order to explain you why I chose these book covers as reference. And for instance, I really like the color combinations for this book cover, and then I really like the decoration in this case, and this composition is perfect for our project. And then for the three ones here below, I think they are really nice for their flowers, but also for this shape that instead of this oval shape we can do a circle shape, and we can put in the middle our title. And then I think these two brushes, they are really cool, and we can do something really similar to these two ones. Basically, that's all. I think we have all the elements in order to make something really great. So let's get started.